Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Soberchino and I'm going to show you how to use this AI music platform. It's called Producer.ai. If you've been following the technology for the last 2 to 3 years, you may have discovered that majority of the things that we see online today is all produced with AI. And that includes not only songs but the websites you see, videos, softwares. So today we're going to be looking into Producer.ai. It's quite simple. There's nothing too technical about it. So once you know what to actually write into the prompts, then the rest becomes a breeze. Firstly, when you go into the yeah, so you can even,
Hey, welcome to the studio. What are we working on today?
I want to make a hip hop rap song for YouTube.
Cool. Let's make you a tight hip hop rap track. Got any ideas for the vibe or theme of the lyrics? Or should we just start fresh and build from scratch?
Once you enable the voice activation, you hold P to talk. Alright, so before we get into all of that, I wanted to talk about this here. So before you start anything, make sure you have the new model on. So the FUZZ 2.0 is the engine that's created by the Producer AI team. So we can think of this as the brain that actually translates your text descriptions into sound. So what you got to do is select the FUZZ 2.0 Pro, Expressive, and Controllable. But yeah, so this is quite important. So there's a classic version here, the old versions. So this is more for if you want to make instrumentals. This is for if you want your songs to be more expressive and controllable. That's the latest version for a cleaner cut. So the trick to writing a prompt, it's all about giving it as much detail as you can. So you won't just write, for example, so I want to make a song for YouTube, right? I can write. Now, this is what I like to do with my AI songs because like the prompts that we gotta write, I'll just give an example. So as an example, we gotta write something like this. What I do then is I come over to ChatGPT and I write, let's see if you can pull this off. So I just wrote some random stuff like this. I forgot how to spell. Let's see what it can pull off with this. Let's do more stuff. I like choir and dips. Making this song for YouTube. Okay, so now we copied this. I wrote, I wanted to make sure that it mentioned YouTube. So we copy that. We come back to Produce AI. We paste it here. Let's see what it gives us.
Yeah, they said it was just a video site. They didn't see the movement.
I like
Check
the
the
title.
stats. Broadcast yourself. It's the power in your hands. It's the global wealth.
Also, guys, with the responses here, if you like how the song sounds, either give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. This gives the AI feedback. The more you use AI, it picks up on your style of writing. It gives you more of what you're looking for. If you just leave it blank, it will keep doing random stuff. Sometimes I've had a few sessions where I actually made the session go on for too long, and the AI actually changed the lyrics, and I was like, hey, like I had to literally write like as if he was my mate, and then the AI was like, I'm sorry, I got off track, I got off topic, whatever, and then switch back to the old lyrics.
You was stairs on fire, then when I'm domain. It's the big star but known, yeah, what the big star. Run a brain in the wall, grinding them.
This is actually the third version.
Yeah, they said it was just a video site. They didn't see the movement. Check the stats. It was Feb 05, a little domain name was born. You every lesson, every skill. If you
I like
got a
that.
dream to chase, YouTube
I
gives
like
you
that
the
version.
will.
So we have
YouTube,
three versions here.
broadcast yourself. It's the power in your hands. It's the global wealth.
I
YouTube,
actually like that.
changing life today.
And then finally, at the very end, once you're happy with it, you write, just theoretically speaking, we want a proper studio mix. So it's virtually the same song. The AI says to make this track ready for commercial starter plus. Yeah, so I actually do have a starter membership. Otherwise you can't sell your songs. But if you're not here to make songs to sell, go hard. Like you don't have to purchase anything. But this is the finished product.
See the movement. In the real YouTube, y'all cast this up. Just a paddle in the air, just a bomb go up. YouTube.
This is a commercial master. So you can always change the title. Tell the AI to change the title to this is another song of Soberchino. So AI is pretty cool for this. Like title updated, it's officially Soberchino, the red button anthem. Want a step further and design a whole music video for it. Now I don't really do music videos with this platform yet because it's new. But let's see what it gives us. So he tells you the style and whatever this and that. I'll upload the chorus to the end of this video.
To dream wise, just a beast.
So that's pretty cool. I mean, it even asks you to confirm on if you want to change anything before it goes ahead. It doesn't just automatically lock everything in. Alright, so this is going to take 30 minutes. So as I said, I've never used this feature on the website because it was new, and I will upload this to the end of the video as I mentioned earlier. Um, so let's see what else I can write. Alright, that's better. Alright, so let's say you're ready to go to the next step and release your song, right? And this is your page. I actually like this picture here as well. That's actually a mad cover. So say you want to hear it. This is what your page looks like. This shows
See the movement.
all the other songs that you created.
Check the stats. It was Feb 05, a little domain.
Yeah, and you can also do that. You don't have to slide through here. You can click on the lyric and it takes you right
Be
there.
no more waiting for you. Change your life.
So yeah, so that's pretty awesome. And it's been, wow, it's been 20 years since YouTube has been out there. Wow. Yeah, so okay, we're happy with this. We can download this. You can download a video, the MP3. I'll go ahead and download the MP3, and then this is what I do to keep my library. And this won't affect your sessions in any way. I actually asked the AI this in advance because yes, I noticed I was doing this a lot at the beginning. So when you create songs, I delete the ones that I don't actually use. So this helps keeping your space tidy. And I know I'm not going to use it anyway, so when you delete the songs, the sessions don't get deleted. But the songs in the sessions, they do get deleted. So you can see song not found, song not found, song not found. Basically, deleting the songs doesn't affect your AI's progress. And how do we see that? We actually come here and you can see your AI has. And I'll ask this guy again. I'll ask this guy. Let me ask it here. Deleting songs from your library won't affect your AI progress or how I learn to work with you. We like that response. So let's get back to the topic. So at the end of each session, you listen to the 3 or 4 songs that you created. Delete the ones that you don't want. So unless you want them, you don't have to delete them. I just like to delete them because I don't plan to keep them at this stage. And then you can plan on whether you want to make it public, only with a link or whatever. I only make my songs public when I'm about to release them. So I've made that public. I haven't made this song public because I haven't released it yet. And these are just some random tracks that I put together. Did I make this go public? This should be public, but here it is. So let's say make a song go public, and I'll do this later on. There's this section here where you can find other songs that you might like. You can adopt it to your AI, so you can learn prompts from this. So let's see what this is. Nice. Let's go to this.
Whispering.
So what happens is, let's say we want to remix this, right? So what you do is, you come here, you click on start session, and this is what you see. Session, right? So the guy right here, funk, rap, piccolo, window, flutes, whatever, this and that. The AI even done that. So this is if you want to that stuff, but I don't want to. Yeah, so that's what it is. This is the song that I picked. If you want to monetize your songs, you need to pay for a startup. You can do that through here. So there's a free plan, which is what you get. I think the starter is enough because I'm not really planning to sell anything, or even if I do put it on sale, I don't expect it to sell. But if you are a proper artist, I would recommend either the plus 18 or the 48. If you're a full-on proper artist, you want to be ahead of the game, right? So yeah, but I think this is enough for me. I don't need 10,000 credit. I don't need to make 2,000 songs a month. You see all their qualifications here. So that's how I use Producer.ai. I write a prompt here. It writes me the lyrics. I get the lyrics. I bring it. Hey, what's going on here? Yeah. So it brings it here. Yeah, this video isn't completed yet. Yeah, so but that's what I do. I get the prompts. I bring it here. Our video is still being generated. As I said, I'll upload that at the end of this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this video with your friends. But yeah, like I do want to make a live session one day and just connect with the audience and what type of song we should do, what prompt we should give it. I mean, you don't have to do what I did. I just tried to make a quick video, copy it and paste it, whatever. But what you can actually do is let's see what GPT does here right now. GPT. Let's see what Gemini does here right now. I need to hear this, man. I'm gonna make a fresh session for this because I don't want to ruin the. I mean, this is my encore to all of you guys. In the club, grit combined with lose yourself, intensity.
Started from a garage. Yo, step back to '05 when the vision was fresh. 3 guys with a server put the dream to the test. YouTube was the name, just a place for a click. Google saw the future, bought the rights the next day. YouTube, where the deck gets paid from the screen to the streets, yeah, we're changing the life.
Yeah, guys, so let me know what you think about that version with the 50 cent. I appreciate you all for watching this video. Let's go.
84, year 2 on the stream, all the only hear a song, maybe I can sue, just a second on the post down, so we feel host really close to the code. YouTube, y'all cast us up, just a paddle in the air, just the bomb blew up. YouTube, slip your hat, it's a game, till the screens on the line, just to follow the lane. Hey, buddy.